Yeah, poor saguaro, it's dead. Right? It's it's so dead. There's huh? So is this saguaro dead or not? I'm confused. All these gnats, the gnats, they're getting on my nerves. I cannot believe that such a small thing can get on my nerves so easily. No. Ridiculously. Alright. It's really hard to do a scenery shot when they're biting on my neck and going in my eyeballs and flying in my ears. Oh, looky. Looky what I found. Oh, he felt the vibrations. So he's like, there's gnats all over my ears. Oh, is he getting into it? Okay, that's out. Get out of my ears. Get out. Oh, there he is. See what happens if I grab his leg. See what he does. Come over here. Yeah, their hairs on their abdomen can be an irritant, so he sticks his abdomen up. You just pull away. Oh! Huh. Biting my legs. Arms, biting my arms. I'll try and do the scenery shot with gnats biting me. Alright, what if I put my hoodie on? Just a second, I'm gonna put my hoodie on my face. Alright. Got my hoodie on. Can't bite my neck. They can't bite my arms. They can't bite my... This is ridiculous. Look at them all. They're going up my sleeve. They're going up my sleeves. Well, remember how I said earlier there was no road going to this thing? Well, check this out. We've got these rocks lined up on the side here. And we have them on this side too. And it is a lot more cleared out through here. Yeah, you can see it on the camera pretty good. So, I think back in the day there was a road. Very, very old one. We got a whole paint cactus growing up right there. The question is, where does the road come from? Now I know back up through there, you go far enough you'll reach Queen Valley. And I know there was an old Jeep trail through there at one point. So it could be that there was a road that used to come through there, through here, and all the way back up there to the mine. which is kind of weird because that mine wasn't really that big. This would have been a lot of work to make this road and go all the way up there. I don't know. It's pretty much a losing battle with the gnats. For me. This whole wash, they're just in the air. So yeah, I'll be there watching it kill them all. The landscape changed. Kind of became open. Trees. So I'm just heading back now. Back to the windmill. Well, we got some rocks here that are kind of in a circle. We've got this one, this one, this one, and this one. Probably nothing. You know how people say moss grows on the north side of trees? I found something very interesting here. That's north. The mountain range is north. Sun is setting here. The sun sets in the west. So right there, you know. Anyway, check out this rock. Here we go. Here's the mountain. Sun, north. Moss, covered. And this moss is covered with it. North side, right? Look at this. There's absolutely no moss. There's a little bit of those lichens. That's it. Isn't that crazy? This rock is covered with moss on the north side. This rock too, look at this. Here we've got moss on the north side. South side, no moss. If we look at this rock, it's just covered on the north side. Interesting. So it makes me wonder. Here we got some moss on this rock, north side. Nothing. Got a little bit on these up in here. So that's kind of crazy. Found that road again. I thought I lost it, and so I was like, whatever, I'll just go. And then I think I found it again. Got all these big rocks piled up. I find it kind of crazy. Like, I mean, they went through a lot. They went to a lot of work. They went through a lot of work. However that works. They did a lot of work to clear that out. All these big rocks, some are pretty big. And if they came from Queen Valley, which is from right in here, then they came a long ways. I've taken my truck and I've almost come through here, but it gets extremely crazy. And yeah. But just when I thought I lost the road again, look at this. Looks like a road to me. These rocks piled up. Looks like it used to be cleared out. Up through there. Oh. Well, that sun's setting pretty fast. I should grab some wood while I have some light. Explore the other end of the wash in the morning, I guess. I brought a hammock and it's blue skies. Like, I don't see any clouds. There's a 51% chance of rain at 1 in the morning tomorrow. But I don't see any clouds at all. So, if there's no clouds, no storm, a hammock would be the way to go. So, 2 of these trees work. I did it once before. I guess I'll grab some wood first, go through the wash, look for some wood. I got some raw tilapia to cook up. If I find any scorpions or anything, I might could throw those in with the tilapia. It'd be pretty good. I always forget how far out I really am. But it's so peaceful out here. Anyway, I better go get that wood. This big old cottonwood tree. It's really quite sad, that whole branch just crashed down right here. The tree's still alive. That's good, but it's kind of sad how it lost such a big branch. I mean, it's a huge branch. But that's good news for me. I mean, those leaves are dead. That's some really good wood right there. Real fresh wood. So it'll be good for my fire. That's kind of the sunset I'm gonna have, unless I want to walk all the way up that ridge. And I don't. So there's your sunset. And here, you never know. There could be scorpions in that bark, which could be a possible food source or possibly just a danger. And I was also finding other insects and stuff in there. But no scorpions. So it's nice. Nightfall comes on and the gnats go to bed. No more gnats. Hours and hours of messing with gnats. But check this out. They go to bed and the mosquitoes come out. See all those little bugs? Mosquitoes. Tons of them. might be a bit problematic not to have a bed. So we'll go ahead and fix that problem real quick. So you may have noticed these little bugs flying around. Right there you can see them really well. Those are mosquitoes. Yeah, those are mosquitoes. Alright, give this another shot. And, 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 and. Better move the rock. Victory. Now the one weird thing about this spot is I always hear noise when I come out here. The time before, it was kind of like a growl type noise, maybe javelina or whatever. And this time, I heard something over in the trees, kind of in the wash area. Right there, it got my attention. I was like, what is that? And it was kind of loud. Wasn't sure what it was. And yeah, every time I always hear something around the camp area. I wasn't sure. But yeah, so I kind of creeped, went to check it out, didn't see anything, well, of course, but I don't know. I'll try and replay this section of the clip with the sound for you. Right there. So I think that's when the noise was starting. I'll play it without the narration a couple times here. Tilapia was frozen when I put it in my pack. But now, hopefully it doesn't go bad. Or hopefully it didn't go bad. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and prep the fish before I do the fire. Coals are ready. I'll throw this on there. I think there's like 5 on there. Alright, so on the ground here with a little stick making a little volcano type shape, that's the potassium permanganate. And in the bottle we have like it's kind of like a syrup. And this is glycerin. Put the two together, sit back, and watch the magic work. Mosquitoes are gone now. Whoa. One of the best things about camping has got to be the fire. Here's my cute little fire, guys. I haven't been around a campfire in forever, it feels like. Yeah, now I gotta wait for this to burn down, get some good coals in that thing, then I can throw my tilapia on there. And I am hungry, so it can't burn down too soon. I'm surprised there's no smoke. As much water is in this wood, there is a teensy little bit of smoke. Interesting. Now threw the tilapia in there. Just hope it's not too hot for it. Don't want to be eating a bunch of charcoal. We'll see. Now I'm just waiting for it to cook. Alright, let's see what we got here. Looks like the bottom burned, but the top's nice and crispy. No salt, no pepper, no nothing. It's good. Ow, and it's still hot. Question is the middle cooked? Doesn't look like it, no. So, I'll just see the top. Ow, for now. I'm a little disappointed. I got 15% left on that battery, and that's all I have left. I went through the batteries today. But, oh. Yeah, it's burnt on the bottom, but I had too many flames when I threw it in. Still pretty good though. Well, I gotta hurry. I've only got 9% left on this. But that's what's left of my tilapia. That stuff was good. Even if some of it was wrong. Guess I'm gonna go to sleep now. I'm tired. It's a lot of hiking. Make sure I have everything. Here's the hammock. Oh, let me get my other light. Where'd my other light go? There we go. Alright, so the temperature dropped. It's not super cold. I'm sure some people could actually sleep in this, but I don't do the cold very well. So I came up with this little thing. My poncho has little buttons on it that you can snap together. And so I wrapped it around the hammock. Wrapped it all the way around. And then I'm just buttoning it on the side. What I'll do is I'll put the buttons a little further down, and I'll have a solid piece here, and that'll keep the light breeze from hitting me. So it'll help trap heat too, so maybe it'll be warm enough for me to sleep. I got my hoodie on. I can see the stars through the tree limbs above me. So there's no clouds, so hopefully there won't be any rain. Hear all the crickets. Can feel the light breeze. And then my battery was done. I got about maybe 2-3 hours of sleep, so the temperature decided to drop, so I was super cold, and so I had to head back. So, but it only took me like 2 hours to get back. It took me like 4 hours to get there, 2 hours to get back, but I was on the move. And anyway, I don't know about the noise. I don't know if you guys could hear it or not. I put my headphones in, trying to pick it up as much as possible, but I couldn't. You can kind of hear it, but it was just kind of weird. And yeah, fun trip. Wouldn't mind doing it again. But I think that's all she wrote. I guess I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching and have a good one.